So, good morning students. So, in this class we are going to discuss MS Word. So, which is called as Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, which is a blank, which is called as blank document, in which we can write information. So Microsoft Word is one of the which is from Microsoft, developed by Microsoft. So will be a blank document. This blank document which is used to write the information. So my MS Word of different types. So starting with MS Word 7, Vista 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. So these are the different softwares. So as going on, the MS Word is developing with. So now the MS Word is continuing is Windows 10. So there are a lot of options. So to write the document which is called as Microsoft Word. So in Microsoft Word there are a lot of options. So in options, so it will be blank. So there will be a blank document with different options, different options. So the first option in Word document is font type. So the word which we are writing on the document, so which type of font we are using, that is font type. Second one is font size, font type and font size. So here will be 1 and here will be 2, font type and font size. So first it's starting of MS Word. So click start button, which is present in Windows desktop, select program and select MS Word 2010. So then we'll get a workspace. So to start the Word, so first we have to click the start button, which is present in the Windows desktop at the left corner at the bottom of the Windows desktop, that is Windows button. So in that we select program, we have to select the program. So in program they will be select MS Word 2010, and so then we'll get the workspace. Next, creation of document. Which we have to click file tab, click file tab, we'll get a new document. So for the creation of new document, you have to click the file document, and you have to then you go for new document, or else there is a short key that is control CTRL plus N, CTRL plus N. And to open existing document, so we have to click file tab, and open dialog box, and then look in, or simply short form, that is control O. Next, saving of document. So whatever the document you have saved, you have to go for saving. For that, click file tab, and then go for save as, and select the folder where you have to select folder, and give the file name and save. Our shortcut is Control S, or you have to press the save symbol on the Word document. So this is the save symbol that is present in the Word document. Next, page setup. Now click on layout tab, Next, click on page setup. Next, set the margins up, down, left and right. Next, add margins for binding. Add margins for facing pages. Select page orientation. Next, select paper size and paper tab. That is page setup. Next, headers and footers. Headers and footers. Click on insert tab. Next, click on headers and footers option. Which results in two text boxes on your document. So that is, one is for the top which is above the document, that is called as header, and the margin which is present below is called as footer. Next, cut and paste. In this, select the text that is or go to, after selecting the text, go to home tab, cut, and next go to target place, go to target document, and go to home tab, paste. For Control X will be used for cutting the document, and Control V is for saving the document. Next, find. Go to home tab, so there will be, we find a find and replace dialog box. Find and replace dialog box. So in the box you have to enter the word to find out. Enter the word, and finally enter find next. Next one, replace. So go to home tab, there will find a find and replace dialog box, click on replace box, and finally find next. So in this replace dialog box, you have to go to home tab, and then click on find and replace dialog box, click the replace option, and finally go for the find next option. So this is about the replace of the words in the document. Next, find. So in this find, you have to go to the home tab, where we find the and replace the dialog box, and next enter the word and go for the next option, that is and find next. So this is about the find option. So this is the basic symbols of MS Word. So to start with, Microsoft Word is a blank document which is used to write the document with different options. So to start the MS Word, go for clicks button or start button, which is present in the Windows desktop, which is present at the left side corner at the bottom. Select the program and select the MS Word and workspace. Select the MS Word, so which results in the formation of, which gives the workspace, white document. So in white document we have a lot of options. The first one is creation of document, which includes, so for that we have to go on, click the file button, which will give the new document. So or else you can use the shortcut method, that is Control N. So while if you press Control N, which gives the new document, or else to open the existing document we go for shortcut, that is Control O, or else you go for a file tab and click the right button, then we open the dialog box and go for existing document, which will go for the existing document, that is Control O. Save the document. So in this you have to click the file button, where you get the save as option, and click the save as option and select the folder. After clicking the save as option, select the folder and give the file name and click on the save button, or else you go for shortcut, that is Control S. After typing your information in the document, you can directly press Control S so that it can be saved. It gives the option, that is file name and folder. Then you have to give the file name and folder name, which will be saved. Or else we have an option, that is a symbol of save on the Word document. So directly we can press the save option, that is the saving of document. Next, headers and footers. So in a document we have in upper margin and lower margin, this is called as header, we call as footer. So for this, click on insert tab and click on, which will give the click on head and footer options. So two text box will be there, one will be at the upside, which is called as header, and one will be at lower side, that is called as footer. Next, page setup. So for page setup, right, for giving the exact margins on left, right and above and top of the page, that we have to go for page setup. So for this, you have to click on the page layout. Next, click the page setup, then set the margins. So appropriate options will be there, and give the add margins for binding, which will be on left side, add margins for facing pages, that is on the right side. Select pages for orientation, either portrait or landscape. portrait or landscape. Select the page number and page size and page tab. So this is all about the page setup. Next, cut and paste. So if we want to paste some information from other place into the new document, we have to go for select the text and go to the home tab button, where you have to see where we see cut option, and go to the target place and we'll go to the tab button where we'll see the paste button, right? Or else we go for, so you are select the document, go for Control X, which will cut the text, and we go for the target place and we go for Control V. There we have to paste the, so if you press Control V, so the cut document will be pasted. That is cut and paste. So fine. So whatever the documents information which is present in the document, we have to find. If we want to find a particular word, then we go for find option. So go to home tab. There will you find a find and replace dialog box. Enter the word which you have to find and find next. You have to enter the find next button. So there will be, which will be used to find the specific words in the document. Next, replace. So in order to replace the words in the document, so for this go to home tab, you find and replace. There will you open the find and replace dialog box. Next, click on replace and finally find the next button. So this is the sum topic of MS Word 1. So MS Word, basics of MS Word. So we'll see in next class, we'll see further options of MS Word. Thank you.